Well, in a business context, thinking of tomorrow for me means that I try to prepare myself and the organization of what might come in the future.
When we are thinking of tomorrow, we need to have a diversified mentality in the company, and this is one thing that Omnia can bring very easily because we operate in different regions and different parts of the globe.
Thinking of tomorrow it's important because big ideas and big projects, they take time, they take years to develop. And so we need to be doing these things today.
Thinking of tomorrow to me is being open-minded to incorporate new technologies as advancements happen, and that we have staff here with expertise to embrace that and integrate that into the operation.
Thinking of tomorrow means to me acknowledge the challenges that we will have in future and prepare today the solutions for that future.
To me, it's the daily motivation to go to work, to think I'm doing something good for society, to help address our key challenges we have as a society together. And on top, to do that on a global level is even more enriching.
How are we going to do this? By being proactive, by thinking of tomorrow, by being ahead of the competition, by keeping up with the digital transformation that is worldwide right now, and by meeting the never-ending innovative needs of our customers, which at the end will make us have a more competitive advantage.
We're always trying to think ahead. We're always trying to be one step ahead to help anybody, whoever that is, again, the principal or the customer.
Thinking of tomorrow means not resting on our laurels today. We have to continue to grow and continue to innovate and offer our customers solutions.
I view thinking of tomorrow through two lenses. One is making sure we have the products that are going to be right for the market, our customers in the future. And the second lens is developing our people for the future.
I think about how I, as a people manager, am expected to develop my employees, much like I was developed when I came to Omnia, so that they can carry the torch and continue improving the world along with Omnia.
I'd say thinking of tomorrow for me really means thinking of the next person that's in my shoes and the next person that's in the contractor's shoes or in the miner's shoes, and making sure that we sustain this and it's here for the next generation.
It's about people, developing skilled and enthusiastic professionals for many tomorrows.
When I think about tomorrow, I think about the responsibility I have to plan for tomorrow. And so I believe that Omnia has done a good job of that, of making me think and plan ahead, not just occupy the seat that I'm in today, but plan for the seat that I want to occupy in 2 years, in 5 years.
I'm doing my part to keep folks ahead of the curve for Omnia and bringing out the best and brightest employees that we have to make our company successful for years to come. So a lot of that is what I think about when it comes to thinking of tomorrow.
Well, thinking of tomorrow is controlling your costs and taking care of your people and looking towards the future for future development into new markets and new products.
Thinking of tomorrow, to me, means that today we're laying the groundwork to support a promising future for the Omnia business, our communities, and our employees.
Thinking of tomorrow for me means that we are thinking of our company's future, of our customers' future, of society, even our kids.
In my private life, it's more related to my kids and the world they are currently growing up in and they will live in the future. Hopefully I can make today an impact so that this place is a good one when they are my age.
Thinking of tomorrow means future, means our children, our family, so we need to take care of it.
Tomorrow is important for myself and my kids, my grandkids, and so from both a sustainability standpoint and a business standpoint, we want to make sure that we're doing the right things for ourselves and for our children and their children.
I care about thinking of tomorrow because we need to deliver a more sustainable and fair world to the next generations.
The vision of thinking about tomorrow and making an impact on future generations is something that's very important to me as well. And I feel at Omnia I'm at the right place to contribute to that aspiration.